Today I am talking about Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals are a global framework adopted by the United Nations in 2015 to promote a more equitable and sustainable world by 2030. They consist of 17 interconnected goals addressing issues like poverty, health, education, climate action, and economic growth. The SDGs emphasize global cooperation and encourage governments, businesses, and individuals to contribute to a better future. Achieving them requires innovation, commitment, and collective action to create lasting positive change for peoples and the planet. Biogas plants contribute to achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by offering renewable energy, cutting greenhouse gas emissions, and improve waste management. They foster economic growth, enhance public health, and support sustainable agriculture, creating a cleaner environment while promoting energy security and rural development for a more sustainable future. The role of biogas plants in achieving Sustainable Development Goal number 1, no poverty. Biogas plants support no poverty by generating income and employment in rural communities. They create opportunities in construction, maintenance, and operation while fostering entrepreneurship in biogas related industries. This sustainable energy solution boosts local economics, enhances livelihoods, and promotes long-term financial stability, reducing poverty through economic empowerment. Sustainable Development Goal number 2, Zero Hunger. Biogas plants support zero hunger by enhancing agriculture productivity through nutrient-rich digestate, improving soil fertility and crop yields. This organic fertilizer promotes sustainable farming, ensuring better harvests and food availability. By boosting productivity, biogas plants contribute to food security, helping communities access nutritious food and reduce hunger. Sustainable Development Goal number 3, Good Health and Well-being. Biogas plants support good health and well-being by reducing indoor air pollution through clean cooking fuel, improving respiratory health, especially for women and children. They also enhance sanitation by processing organic waste, eliminating pathogens, and preventing disease spread, creating a healthier environment, and promoting overall well-being. Sustainable Development Goal number 4, Quality Education. Biogas plants promote quality education by enabling schools to cook meals with clean energy, ensuring students receive nutritious food. Additionally, they support learning through educational programs on renewable energy and sustainability, fostering awareness and innovation. This empowers students with knowledge, preparing them for a greener, more sustainable future. Sustainable Development Goal number 5, Gender Equality. Biogas plants advance gender equality by providing clean cooking energy, reducing the time women spend gathering firewood. This frees up opportunities for education, income generating activities, and active participation in community decision making. By easing daily burdens, biogas empowers women, fostering independence, equity, and social progress in their communities. Sustainable Development Goal number 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Biogas plants contribute to clean water and sanitation by efficiently managing waste, preventing water contamination from untreated organic materials. They process waste into renewable energy, reducing pollution and protecting water sources. This sustainable solution enhances sanitation, promotes environmental health, and ensures access to clean water and communities. Sustainable Development Goal number 7, Affordable and Clean Energy. Biogas supports affordable and clean energy by offering a renewable, cost-effective and reliable energy source for cooking, heating and electricity generation. It reduces dependence on fossil fuels, lowering carbon emissions and promoting sustainability. This clean energy alternative enhances energy security while contributing to a greener, more resilient future. Sustainable Development Goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. By creating jobs in construction, operation and maintenance while fostering entrepreneurship in related industries, by offering a local energy source, they stimulate economic activity, enhance financial stability and drive sustainable growth, empowering communities with long-term employment opportunities and economic resilience. Sustainable Development Goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. Biogas plants drive industry, innovation and infrastructure by fostering advancements in renewable energy and waste management. Investment in biogas technology promotes innovation, improving efficiency and sustainability. Additionally, constructing biogas plants strengthens infrastructure, supporting green development and enhancing access to eco-friendly energy solutions for long-term progress. Sustainable Development Goal number 10, reduce inequality. Biogas plants help reduce inequality by offering clean energy, improving sanitation and supporting farmers. They create jobs, enhance economic inclusion and promote climate action, benefiting marginalized communities. By providing an affordable, sustainable energy source, biogas systems empowers disadvantaged groups, improve health standards and drive social and economic development. Their impact extends beyond environmental benefits, fostering a more equitable society while ensuring long-term sustainability and resilience. Sustainable Goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities. Biogas plants advance sustainable cities and communities by efficiently managing urban organic waste, minimizing landfill use and reducing environmental hazards. They promote energy independence by providing local renewable energy sources, empowering communities to become more self-sufficient while fostering cleaner, greener urban environments for long-term sustainability and resilience. Sustainable Development Goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. Biogas plants support responsible consumption and production by converting organic waste into renewable energy and nutrient-rich fertilizer. This process minimizes waste, reduces environmental impact, and promotes sustainable resource use. By encouraging circular economic practices, biogas fosters efficient consumption, responsible production, and a greener, more resilient future. Sustainable Development Goal number 13, climate action. Biogas plants drive climate action by reducing methane emissions from organic waste, curbing a potential greenhouse gas. They replace fossil fuels with renewable energy, cutting carbon footprints and supporting climate change mitigation. By promoting cleaner energy alternatives, biogas helps combat global warming and fosters environmental sustainability for the future. Sustainable Development Goal number 14, life below water. Biogas plants support life below water by preventing water pollution through effective organic waste management, by reducing runoff of harmful pollutants into rivers and oceans. They help protect marine ecosystems, ensuring clean water and healthier aquatic life while promoting sustainable environmental practices for long-term ocean conservation. Sustainable Development Goal number 15, life on land. Biogas plants support life on land by enhancing soil fertility through digestate, a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer that improve biodiversity and ecosystem health. They also reduce deforestation by providing clean cooking fuel, decreasing reliance on fossil fuels, decreasing reliance on firewood, and helping to preserve forest, ensuring a more sustainable and balanced environment. Sustainable Development Goal number 17, Partnerships for the Goals. Biogas projects drive partnership for the goals by fostering collaboration among governments, business, and communities. These partnerships enhance resource sharing, innovation, and sustainable development. By working together, stakeholders accelerated the adoption of renewable energy, improve waste management, and promote global cooperation for a greener and more resilient future. Sustainable Development Goals by providing renewable energy, enhancing waste management, and fostering economic growth. They reduce environmental impact, improve public health, and support sustainable agriculture, making them a versatile solution for global sustainability and a greener and more resilient future. Thank you.